Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to public Spotify playlist step by step. Open Spotify, pick the playlist you want to share, then tap the three-dot menu to open options. Choose Make Public or Share and confirm your selection. Check the playlist details to ensure it shows as public and test the link by opening it in a browser or another device to confirm visibility. In this video, I will explain how to public Spotify playlist step by step. Open the playlist menu and select Make Public to allow anyone to find it. Edit details to set a clear title and engaging description so listeners know what to expect. Add a custom cover image to stand out in searches and on profiles. Save changes and refresh the app to confirm the public status appears correctly for followers. In this video, I will explain how to public Spotify playlist step by step. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker pairs perfectly when you preview and share playlists, giving better sound while you fine-tune tracks. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals you might enjoy. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to public Spotify playlist step by step. After making the playlist public, tap Share to copy the link or send it directly to apps and contacts. Write a short message explaining the theme to encourage clicks and listens. Consider inviting friends to collaborate so the playlist grows organically and attracts new followers. Monitor listener feedback and update the list regularly to keep it fresh and engaging for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.